Head still hurt? Oh, hello. Or do you want to come back and talk to me so I'm not alone in the VC? Sniff. Yay! Wait, did I hear your voice or was I imagining things?
Figuring out
Oh, there
how
you
to
are.
beat this.
Got you. Did you, so you didn't beat it yet? I thought you
I haven't
did.
beaten it yet, but I'm getting closer to figuring it
Close.
out.
You'll get
I'm
it.
very like I got pretty close last run to beating it.
Got you.
I just need to do that.
Nice. What did you learn from all those different attempts? Like the main thing you
I
learned?
figured out how to spread this thing really fast.
Okay, that's cool.
Apparently, I was focusing too much on
Huh.
symptoms and transmission. I need to focus heavily on abilities.
Oh. But abilities help us spread faster than the transmission?
Well, well, at least it does for this one.
For the oh.
I need to max out cold resistance,
Mm-hmm.
hot resistance, and drug resistance, and
Got
then the
you.
thing spreads like crazy.
Ah.
Like literally everywhere, spreads everywhere.
Everywhere. Iceland. Is that the one you needed to get?
Iceland is honestly like nowhere is really a problem when I have that. I mean,
Cool.
I do need to get some transmission though,
Okay.
but like it spreads really fast when I get high resistances in these things.
Heck yeah.
And then when someone notices, I update symptoms so that way I can get more points from these things.
I
Let me
got
just do
you.
that right now. Let me
And
see
don't.
if I do that right now, how does
Yeah.
that go for me?
Hmm.
Baba Booey, but I can't do that one.
Hmm.
New disease. Well, someone spotted it as soon as I did that. That's probably why I think that's why I don't do that. So if I see that thing down there is getting real fast.
Hmm.
Bottom left.
One
Started
card
working on here.
two.
So what I'm trying to figure out whether or not it's a good idea to just hide like the see I got Iceland. So I'm trying to figure out whether or not it's a good idea to just hide the
Oh, hi, Cook. Someone said hello to you. Corrupt. They said sup, Corrupt,
oh
so
hey
they
cook.
know you.
Hey, cook.
Wait, are you still there, Cook? Sorry, I didn't see. Oh, I forgot. I need to turn my TTS back on. I didn't. Sorry, I didn't know you'd said anything. Hope you didn't. Hope you didn't leave. Sniff. Do you know them?
Probably
Oh, okay. I
probably.
was wondering if you recognize them.
I mean it's a name that I recognize. Yeah,
Oh, okay, cool. Cook, are
probably
you
from the math
there?
community.
Aw, it's cool. I'm not. Oh, I'm not streaming in the math category, but streaming in the software game development. Here's your pair of cards. Determine if it's two card. I think they left though because I didn't realize they said anything in the chat. That's why I like TTS because I can know if someone sends something.
Hmm.
You
Okay, I need
can do
to
this.
get how bad am I boned right now? I'm Kira's going not at a comfortable speed. Get drug re- get drug resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't see them saying anything. Okay, what land masses do I need to get? I need that, and I need that, and that. Oh, and that one as well. But okay, if any of those close borders, yeah. Okay, so I don't. So I think I don't want to do symptoms until
Two
it gets
pairs.
spotted because
Uh huh.
then people start closing down borders and stuff. So this
Oh,
runs
and
like,
that's what.
and also the
Yeah.
cure starts quicker. They start working on the cure quicker. So I think this run could be boned.
Yeah. What I hate about Mega Brutal is like, dude, the cure it goes so fast. It really annoys me. It doesn't. It just
Yeah,
frustrates me
this
so.
run's boned.
Oh.
I can already see it.
Aww. But you have.
Okay.
It's good that you have that strat down with the like cold and heat resistance. That's like
Yep.
always.
Give me, give me. Yeah, give me that, especially. I want to. So like, let me try. I need to go back to trying something. So if I
Okay.
set this thing back to back to red bubbles,
Mm-hmm.
or do I want orange bubbles? I'm gonna go red bubbles. More
Red
points on
bubbles.
more DNA on red bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
anyways. Watch right now, might be confused.
Define the cans with pairs. Function of pair cards. Determine if this two card hand can be split into two pairs. If the hand can be split. Oh, this is easy.
Oops, that's not the button I want to press. I alt-tabbed.
I don't know why this function exists.
Okay, and I'm gonna get a lot of bubbles.
So easy. Bubbles!
I'm gonna get a lot of bubbles when this on pauses.
Nice.
Are you looking?
Okay, wait. I'll look for a second. Okay, where are the bubbles? Oh my god! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at a time? I've never seen that before.
Actually, sometimes I'm actually able to get more than that at a time.
That's interesting.
Just I'm getting. I think if I played this on on casual, I could probably get so many bubbles at once. Okay, max gold. Max gold is good chat. Wonder how quickly I could beat it on casual.
Wait, does it have to be equal to?
No, 2 space station. Okay. Drop resistance.
Nice. Okay, this is what was ridiculously easy. They should have put this as like the first one you do. Okay, doubling down. Determine if a blackjack player can place a double down bet. Card 1, card 2, string first and second card in hand. Either thing. When the original 2 cards dealt total 9, 10, or 11 points, the player can place an additional bet equal to the original bets. This is known as doubling down. 9, 10, or 11 points. Wow. Define the can double down card 1, card 2 function. Determines card 1, card 2, pair cards. Determine if the 2 card hand can be doubled down and return the boolean true if it can false otherwise. Okay. 9, 10, or 11. Wow. But this one's really easy too. Significantly easier than the mega brutal thing you're having to deal with right now. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just don't. Not right now. Don't upgrade that yet. Because then people will notice that it exists. Oh, well, fuck. Well, I just unupgraded that, but people just not notice. Okay. Self-work unclear. Okay, well, I'm dumping into this and this. And this and this. And this and the next thing.
Plus.
Okay, what land masses do I need to get? That, and that. I need every fucking one. God dang it. Okay,
yeah. It is greater. Totals 9, 10, or 11. Oh, I know what I can do here. Less than. I'll do greater than. Less than 12. What did I do? 8, 9, 10, 11, less than 12.
I forgot to upgrade that thing. Oh, that's not great for me.
Okay, done.
That's infected. That's infected. I just need that one infected. rashes and death. That's fine. Yes. Okay. Every landmass now is super infected.
Super infected. Nice. There's not
I'll kill him.
There's not a multiplayer option in Plague Inc., is there? I don't think so.
No.
Okay.
Oh, I need to get that one too. Whoops. Well, no, I think there is. No, there is. I think.
What? No way. Do you work together or is it competitive?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't played it.
Okay. I guess okay. Cause I have Plague Inc. on my iPhone. That's why.
Yeah, no, I lose this run. Just lose this. Right?